Of course, there he is. Hello, Army sports car racing fans. Oh, come on then, Will. Where was your little creeping? Hey, here he is. Set up, ready to go. It's Club Enduro round 4. Your first stint, aren't you, today?
Yeah.
And I am somehow been wrangled into some sort of pit crew thing. This is the intro. Can you believe it? Dream job. You're having a laugh. That's right. Your boy son Dan Morton's going to be on pit crew duties apparently. Thank you.
It's a dead man. Most important man. That's the real
I've
thing.
got an important job. I'm on a radio. I've got gloves to be wearing. I've got fire extinguisher stuff. It's gonna be. If he crashes today, don't worry. We'll get plenty of content out of it. But I think it's gonna be a good race today. So yeah, enjoy. Right, I really am right now looking like a bit of a Wish.com Ted Kravitz, but we're going to grab him. They're having a bit of a team talk, Matty and Will, talking tactics. They're over there looking the part, but I think we're going to barge in and we're going to grab them. We're going to have a quick ask of how they're feeling. Quickly, Will, while we're here, how are you feeling?
Hot, muggy, dehydrated.
Much unlike Matty, who's feeling
chilled, can't wait. He's going to go smash it up a little bit and then I'm going to go rob the
a
world.
lot more aggressive. I like this guy. Who's this? Who's this guy?
Imposter.
Them cars are getting it.
What was the advice at Prof Circuit you
Oh,
gave?
you love that bit of advice.
I did. Are you going to have the same advice for today?
Big cojones. No, I'm feeling good. It's different when you start. I've ever started the back before because we're better than that, but now we start back. But when you start sort of mid-pack, the stress is off a little bit. It's a bit more fun because you do a lot of overtakes instead of when you qualify really well and you're at the front with all the competition. It's so intense straight away. So it should be a bit of fun. We've got to be really, really patient to just not be sending it straight away. We're on brand new tyres. They're not scrubbed in. They're going to be cold. So we've just got to be careful at the start, but we've got 3 hours to sort it out, so it would be fun.
I think you said earlier, Matty, it's a long game today, not a sprint.
It's a long game. My brain is telling me just send it and go get to the front. But you know, the real terms are let's get through, and we got 3 hours. There's going to be a lot of dedication, so we'll be
right, boys. Well, we'll see you out there. You're in safe hands. I'm on pit crew detail, so they basically won the race already. That's all I'm saying. Right, so yes, this is a bit of a pit crew video, so we're going to see Chris. Chris is just filling up the fuel. Chris, how you getting on? Yeah, just filling up the more fuel. Head of the pit crew. Well, you're not head of the pit crew. Lewis is, isn't he?
Yeah, I stick the fuel in.
You stick the fuel in. Looking good, doing it safely as we like to see with the right stuff. Right, I suppose we better go talk about what else we do. So obviously, Chris has been doing the fuel. I'll take you over to where we are over here, and I'll go through some of my stuff that I've got. Icy tire temps over here. Don't know who that guy is in the background. Then obviously you've got the head of the pit crew over there, little Lewis Maid on the wall over there, looking good. Anyway, so pit crew stuff. What do we need? So obviously I've got a bit of a fire flame suit on, fire retardant suit, balaclava, gloves, and obviously just watch out, see what goes on. So hopefully you'll get to see as Jeff's gives these headphones. We are also listening to see what's going on because obviously the guys are racing. So yes, that's what we're doing in the background, listening out when the cars are going to come in, either when they come out, and then obviously we get ready to do the job outside. So hopefully you'll get to see some of that from the camera I'll have on. Hopefully it works out alright, it's not too much. But yeah, sort of POV, if you will, of Pit Crew. Look out, one of the top. You getting the copies on, mate? It's leaking out, mate. Pit Crew experience. That was very, very interesting. 2 seconds. Oh, let me get my other glove off. But that was very, very interesting. Even though just doing the fire extinguisher stuff, great to be in the pit crew, getting involved with it all. Then of course we just had a bit of a bonnet incident as well. So not a bonnet, a splitter incident. But yeah. Good fun, good fun. And this is just like amateur racing. God knows what Formula 1 would be like. But yeah, awesome. Look at the smile and happy face on the rest of this pit crew. Look at that guy over there. Look how happy that guy is over there. Look at that team. Look how happy they are. And huge thanks to these guys over here as well. That's the great thing about this. Everyone mucks in. Everyone mucks in. Garages that are sharing, you know, everyone helps out, and it's yeah. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Honestly, pit crew, media guy, where do you need me? Where do you need me? Taking a quick break off my pit stop duties to come and speak to the man who's at the first hour. The first hour. Will, how you feeling? How you feeling, buddy?
Yeah, good. All right. It was all right. Obviously, let's start from the pit lane on cold, brand new cold tyres, so greasy tyres that were like marshmallows. So it's a bit sketchy going out at the start, and then it's just being really patient to pick your way through the traffic. The guy said we got from, I don't know how many people on the grid, probably 45 or so. Yeah, mate, you were to 20 within the first couple of laps.
You were flying up, mate. What we could see on the lap timer, you were really climbing the ranks.
Yeah, it's good. It's good fun like that, as I said before. But because we was expecting really changeable conditions, so we put a really conservative setup on the car, which meant that mid-corner understeer was quite bad, but it would have been better if it was wet. So I was managing like a lap time of 2:10, 2:11, and just couldn't push it any harder. Whereas ideally I want to be like 2:08, really. but also found out the tyres were massively overpressured as I came in, so we dropped them down, so that should be a bit better for Matty. And we just nailed an awesome pit stop during the safety car. That's the first time we managed to get a pit stop under the safety car, and we've leapt forward to 15th on that, so doing really well.
All I'm saying is, the first time I've been pit crew, and you're saying it's the best one you've ever done.
This guy in the world.
Stats don't lie, guys. Stats don't lie.
Moustache don't lie.
The moustache don't lie. How do you reckon Matty's going to fare out there?
Yeah, it'll be fine. The car's been good. Like last races at Spa, this guy missed it.
Hey,
And,
come on. Talk about that later.
we were struggling with gearbox temps, so he really wants me.
He does. We'll edit that out.
So what was I saying?
Temps.
So all the temps are good on the car. So everything's stable and consistent, which is really good. I think I was doing like I said 210, 211, but every lap was a 210 or a 211, even with a little bit of traffic. So that's really good and consistent. The only thing was my legs were cramping up like that. I was like, I'm gonna have to pit in a minute if my legs don't stop cramping up. But then you just get involved in another battle and you forget about it, and then you get a bit of time on your own. You're like, oh god, I'm cramping up again.
Fair one.
yeah.
And you're all set for your final stint?
Yeah, I just need to get some energy in, stretch off a bit, cool down, hydrate.
You love to see it. You love to see it. As always, buddy, we'll catch you in a little bit. He's a good lad, isn't he? He's good for the camera, this guy. Done, isn't it? Well, it's been quite the day. Lewis, pit crew manager. Let's get a few words. So he's AFRC by day, pit crew manager by night. How was the race, mate?
It's been good. Very eventful day. Sometimes how we like it, sometimes not how we like it.
You've been a good pit crew manager, mate. To be honest with you. There he is, driver.
Thank you, boys.
How you feeling, mate?
Thank you, boys. A bit annoyed, a bit annoyed.
No, come on, man.
Well, who puts an MX-5 in a way? Who puts an MX-5 in a way, you know?
Yeah, that's a valid point. That's a valid point.
We've done well. A comeback like that is epic.
Yeah.
Would have been better.
Yeah,
Slight, I'll take the mistake.
Well, you started at the back of the grid, didn't we?
Yeah.
For some, well...
Technical infringement.
Yeah, technical infringement. Wow. We don't talk about that, do we? But no, it's been a good day, so we'll go catch up with Matt. So we have just caught up with Matt, we'll go catch up with Will. But you've had a good day then, mate?
It's been good.
Good.
It shows what we can do, even when the cosh is on.
Lewis, how's the pit crew been?
Pit crew's been amazing as always.
Obviously.
Obviously, we only bring the best.
Oh, of course. Right, let's go catch up with the rest of the team. And yeah, good day. Good day. Well, he's brought the car in. It's battered and bruised. Let's have a little look at what we're dealing with here. Oh yeah. Okay, we've already seen the footage because you saw us all going rogue trying to put that tape on like there's no tomorrow. But he's brought it home. He's brought it home. Here he is. You know you love him. Mr. Will Ashmore. Here he is. Will Ashmore. Will Ashmore. Here you are, mate. How are you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, good. It's a good race.
The final stint.
Good race. 3 hours done. You know, like, not that it was easy.
The car didn't set fire.
Car didn't set fire.
No crashes.
A few little dings here and there.
Little spins. I don't think that was on your watch, though, was it?
We've had a few dings all around. You've seen the exhaust as well. My freshly built exhaust has been dinged. Yeah, no, it's good. I'm glad we made it for a 3 hour race.
Yeah.
That's the longest the car's ever done. And that, you know, the car didn't miss a beat. You know, the temperatures were good.
Yeah.
We ballooned the tyres at the start, but we brought them in. Yeah, it was good. I was happy. I was really happy with my first stint.
Yeah.
And then I was a bit frustrated with because we had to make a third pit stop.
Yeah.
It cost us a lot of time. But
a smooth pit stop, some would say.
Yeah, well,
still smooth.
Some would say one of the best.
Still silky smooth.
3 of the best, actually.
3 of the best.
And I mean, all I'm saying is it's only because, as you know, I see Fire Guy. We brought it home, deadpan.
But no, mate, so you're feeling good. Ready for round 5?
Round 5. Is it round 5?
Well, you said it was halfway. You tell me.
Yeah.
You tell the
No, it's
fans.
round 4. This is round 3, isn't it? Yeah.
Come on, mate.
Round 3. We're at Silverstone in 3 weeks, so Matty gets to take the bumper home and fix it, because he bent it.
That's fair.
I'm going to have to fix the exhaust that he also bent, but I'm a fucking world.
It is what it is.
But the car's pretty good. We've got a few bit of gearbox bits to sort out. It's still just too slow on the downshifts, and
Yeah.
you're trying to concentrate on getting the downshifts, and by then you're already into the corner, so that's something to deal with. But you know, it's really good day, really good day, I think. For us
Awesome.
to get through three hours of racing.
It has been really good here at Snetterton, definitely, mate, and great to see you guys enjoying it out there and having a good time. And well, hopefully, I say we'll catch you soon. I think this might be my last one for a couple of months, and then we're back on. But
I
hey,
have to like do some weird fill the void with like some weird selfie things.
that should be.
Well, I tell you what we can do is in the description. Do you want to see this guy, this professional? After you didn't even know what round we were on, do some sort of solo work. Yeah, let us know. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Hope you've enjoyed today. Well, Army Sports Car Racing fans, that concludes today's feature. It has been a very interesting day, especially when it's come to getting used to like learning more of the jobs at the pit crew. A big thank you to these guys. He's run off for helping us out and getting some black nasty and some silver gaffer tape on the SunVit-D3 Army Holden. It's been a cracking day, and hopefully you've been able to watch the event live on YouTube. But if not, this has been just an absolute riot today. As always, thank you so much for your support, and if you are interested, of course, in how you can get yourself in Army Motorsports and the Army Sports Car Racing team, head over to all of our social media pages at British Army Motorsport and of course Army Sports Car Racing. So yeah, head over there now. Anyway guys, that's us. Of course, as always, we have to thank all the marshals, all the support crew for everything they do while they are here. Of course, without those guys, these events can't happen. And as always, we just want to say a huge thank you to all of the volunteers that come down. As always, a huge thank you to all the guys that have given it their weekends to come down and make this happen, make this car get out there and put it to the rest of the guys in this Club Enduro Series. Anyway, that's me. I've been Sergeant Dan Morton. This has been the Army Sports Car Racing team, and we'll see you on the next one. Well, it's not the end of the episode. It turns out in what I don't even know what's just happened. Will, what's just happened?
Well, we came third, didn't we?
We came third.
Came third in the non-cheaters cup.
Oh, the non-cheaters cup. What was it? You came third, non-cheaters cup. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that little bit of silverware, mate?
Yeah, it's unexpected actually, but so this is a new class for this year called the Clubman Cup, which is essentially for the non-cheaters. It's for the older cars, non-sequential gearboxes, non-factory race cars, and it's a championship that we're looking to contest this year. So we came second in this at Spa. This is now a third place finish. I'm not sure where we came at Croft, but this is a championship we're going for this year, and we want to win it, and we're well on the road for it.
Let's have a look at it, mate. Let's have a look at it. Look at that. There it is. Right.
Now the episode is actually over. See you later.